Welcome to the Blackview A90, and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the icon changer app on this device. So let's first get the icon changer app from the Play Store. That's why here in the search bar enter the icon changer. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. And then here let's select one from these available applications to change the icon. For example, let's use the phone app. Here we can tap on this edit icon to rename this application. I just don't want to do that. Here we can see the folder with different icons here. So let's just use, for example, this one. Then just tap here to OK.
Dołącz teraz, aby otrzymać kupon na pierwsze zakupy. Zdobądź darmowy kupon na 15 zł na pierwszy zakup i wykorzystaj.
After that, just let's skip the apps here. And tap here to add automatically. Now we can change the next icon by the same way. Just select the app, or just select one from these available icons, or also you can use the photo from your device gallery, or just use the camera app right now to take a picture. And that's it. Then just tap here to OK. And now let's just here see the new look of our just phone application icon, and we can see the difference. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.